everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and this is going to be the introduction for a number of videos as I go through my recent purchases. I dismantled a bunch of paper pads. These are just some of them. I've turned some into kits. Some have ended up in my stash, and basically this is going to be me going through the paper pads, showing you what Paige kits I came up with because some people have requested it. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, for the Indigo Kraft and Rose Gold paper pad, I have quite a few that are just going to go in my stash, and almost all of them are foiled with the dark blue. So I did make a few kits of the multicolored papers, just a couple, I guess 3. So the first one is with this arrow and this almost periwinkle striped, and then this dark blue. For the second one, I've got this floral piece. I did include a piece of this chevron foil. I think that'll look quite nice, as well as one of the cut-aparts. For the second piece of floral, I included the periwinkle kind of blue stripe, and then the wood green and the dark blue, as well as the cut-apart. So those are the kits from the Indigo Kraft and Rose Gold. Okay, let's talk about the Horizon paper pad from Paige Evans. So I mentioned I already have this paper pad and I've kept it in its entirety. So I really didn't want to make any Paige kits using this paper pad, but I did create some Paige kits using some of the papers from here and some of the papers that were going to make their way into my stash. But I thought they would work with some of the papers, so I'm going to show you that. So these kits are going to be a combination of all the pads, that paper pads that I've shown you so far. Okay, so I did pull this apart, and I did pull everything that has a kind of travel theme to it. So, you know, anything that remotely resembled travel, and this will go in my iris cart, or my iris box, sorry, of travel themed paper. They also had 2 sheets of butterflies. I do have an animal section, or an animal iris bin, and that's where these are going to go. And then all of these other ones I sorted by color and whether they would be backgrounds. So I would consider this like a good background. Same with those ones. And then I just picked a color. So pink, 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 lots of pink. And then switch to green. All of these would go under green. And then I've got a couple of blue. Okay, so now let me show you the kits that I put together. So this is from Paige's kit, and I paired it with this blue scalloped. This was from the Perry and Peach. And then I also paired it with this gold foiled speckled with the light pink. And that was from the blush. And then I threw in the one from Heidi Swap. So it's a little bit of a different pink, but there are multiple shades of pink in here, so I think that will work in some form. So that's my Paige kit. Also from Paige's kit is this multicolored floral. I pulled this blue. This was from one of the garden flower ones from Die Cuts with a View. I thought that went really well. This is from the Kaiser Craft tropical one. Just added that in there. And then from the Indigo Kraft and Blush with the wood green, I threw that one in as well. So I'm really happy with how that one turned out. And then the last kit I put together was using this floral, and I had this dot. On the back side is this foil, which would work as well, and as well as this coral color stripe, and this one is just white on the other side. So that is my third kit. Happy with how these turned out. Okay, so my desk is cleared for today. And until next time, happy crafting and happy organizing.